They highlighted first commercial contracts for My Size ID smart measurement app for online apparel retail. This came out at around 8:15. So that was the jump from 62 cents to now 87 cents. That's why I said add it on the list. They are now leading our upgappers list. The upgappers list is pretty soft. DCAR is a name that's up here off of an earnings report. SOLY, Sierra Oscar Lima Yankee, offers update on application for FDA clearance, addresses recent anonymous article on seekingalpha.com, cautiously optimistic that wrap device could be cleared sooner than company has been estimating. Should be receiving 510K feedback from the FDA before the end of this month.